Question number 1. We have 9,476 minus 642 minus 4,810 q and plus 12,759. Since in this video we are going simplify expression by combining like terms, I would like to step back and explain to you like terms. Which terms we call like. So the terms that either don't have any variable, it's like number 5 or -3, those are like terms. Or if they have variables, then they have to have the same variables. Let's say 2x and then 4x, same x. Those we call like terms. But if you have 2x and 3y, then because variables are different, then they are not like terms. Okay, I'll put no like terms. All right. Next, even if same variable, they have to have the same degree also. Let's say 15x cubed, then it's gonna be -2x cubed as well. Okay, so this is gonna be like term. But if I have 15x cubed, but let's say 4x squared, this is not like term. So degree has to be the same. Okay, besides of a variable, degree also has to be the same. Next, let's say we have another term, 3xy, and I have 4yx. These are going to be like term. Why? Because xy meaning x times y, yx means y times x. Now you tell me, 3 times 4 or 4 times 3, does it make difference? No, it doesn't make difference. Therefore, 3xy and yx squared are like terms. The different story is if I put 3x squared y and I put here 4y squared x. Although both of them are squared, right? But here is x is squared in this on this side, y is squared. This is why they are not a like term. So I have to put, let's say, let me change the color. Yeah, I have to put, let's say, for example, 3x squared y, then here should be 4yx squared. Then that would be your like terms, because on both sides y has degree 1 and x has degree 2. Are we good? Okay, now once we have it, we can work on simplification of expressions based on like terms. Let's work. So which ones are like terms? This one is like term with this, right? And then this is like term with this one. So let's combine. What do I have? Let's do drafting. 9, 4, 7, 6. So 9, 4, 7, 6, this is positive. This is bigger than 4, 8, 1, 0, right? And one is positive, one is negative. We need to subtract. 4, 8, 1, 0. To subtract, I do 6 minus 0 is, 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now 4 I can't do minus 8. I'm borrowing from this 9. And here will be left 8, right? 14 minus 8 is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay? And because 9,476 is positive and it's greater, then we are using positive number. So it's going to be 4,666 Q. Yes? Now let's do the next calculation. Negative 642 and positive 12,759. Obviously, result is going to be positive, but we are going to subtract. Positive because this number is bigger than this one, but positive and negative, we need to subtract. Minus, I will put at the end of the screen video, I will put reference to the video when I am covering template for addition subtraction. All right, so 9 minus 2 is 7, 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, and we have 1,111. 111. And we are done. Question number 2. What do we have? 6y minus twice y minus 1 plus 3. Okay. So we need to distribute these two. It's going to be 6y minus 2y, and negative times negative, it's going to be plus 2 plus 3. Well, let's see like term, this with this, and 2 and 3. 6y minus 2y is 4y, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Number 3. We have negative 5x minus 13 plus 4 times 4x plus 6. Okay, so let me open parentheses. It's going to be, since I have negative sign in front of parentheses, it's going to flip the sign. Negative 5x plus 13, right? And then plus 4 times 4x is 16x, and 4 times 6 is 24, right? Combining like terms, negative 5x with 16x, 13 with 24. So negative 5 plus 16, it's going to be positive 11x. Positive 13, positive 24, it's going to be 37. Question number 4. 7 times 4x minus 1 minus 28x. Okay, let's multiply 7 times 4x, 7 times negative 1. 7 times 4x is 28x, and minus 7 times 1 is 7, and minus 28x. So 28x is canceling each other, so nothing to simplify or combine. We have negative 7. Number 5. We have negative 2 times n minus 1 minus 4n. Okay, well, let's distribute negative 2 on parentheses. Negative 2 times n, negative 2n. Negative 2 times negative 1 is going to be positive 2 and minus 4n. Combining like terms, negative 2n, negative 4n. It's going to be both of them negative. We need to add them and put the sign negative. Remember? Sign are the same, so we need to add, and both of them are negative, so we don't have what to choose from. Next one. Number 6, negative 7 times x plus 6 plus 7 times 2x plus 1. All right, let's distribute this with this. So negative 7x minus 42, right? Next, 7 times 2x times 1. It's going to be plus 14x plus 7. So let's combine like terms. This with this. Negative 42 plus 7. It's going to be 14x minus 7x. It's going to be positive 7x. Negative 42 plus 7. It's going to be negative 35. Signs are different. We subtract and we use the same, and we use the sign of the bigger number. Okay, number 7. Negative 6 z plus 3 plus 4z. Let's combine. Let's distribute first. We are getting negative 6x, 6z, negative 18 plus 4z. Combining like terms, negative 6z plus 4z, and negative 18 doesn't have like terms, so it will stay the way it is. And that is equal negative 2z, right? Negative 6z plus 4z, negative 2z, and minus 18. Question number 8. Z minus 7z. Well, negative 6z. That is clear. Next one. Number 9. Negative 2y minus 5 plus 9. Let's distribute. Negative 2y plus 5, right? Negative sign, it's going to flip the signs in the parentheses, and plus 9. This time these two have are like terms, and we have negative 2y plus 14. Number 10. Negative 3 times 5n minus 6 plus 4n. Okay. So it's equal negative 15n and plus negative 3 times negative 6 plus 18 plus 4n. Like terms. And we get negative 11n plus 18. Number 11. Negative 4 times 5x plus 7. Okay, when we multiply, this is going to be negative 20x. This is going to be negative 28. And there is no like term, so we are done. Question number 12. Negative 4 times 12y. That's going to be negative 48y. Number 13. 3 times 10x. That means this is multiplication. It's going to be 30x. 14. 5y plus 7y plus 6y and minus 6. Yes? So, like terms. 5y, 7y, 6y. So 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 6, it's going to be 18y and minus 6. Number 15. 4x minus 5x plus x minus 7x. Well, all of them are like terms, so I'm going one by one. 4x minus 5x, it's going to be negative x. Negative x plus x, it's going to be 0, and the answer is negative 7x. Okay, I'm done. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching. X, which will give me cotangent x. So finally, for this the whole piece, I will put cotangent x. And that would be our answer. And we are done. All right. So let me clean this, so it won't look messy. Okay. That's all. I think I will finish by this solving derivatives, because we solved quite a few and we did relatively complicated ones. So if you can understand and solve this one, the other ones will be easier, I would say. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in next video. We will start something new, or maybe more of limits. I will do limit of sine x over x. We'll see.